This video is about how to get Pag-Ibig number online. So here we go. First, go to the website. Then you will type din ng browser Pag-Ibig Fan or www.pagibig.gov.ph. Then you click the Pag-Ibig there, the drop link. So wait. It's loading. Then this is the home page of the Pagibig. So you'll find here e-services, and there's a lot of e-services. So to register the Pag-Ibig number or to get Pag-Ibig number, you click this member registration. Yan. So after clicking this member registration, you will go here, unloading. So we're loading. So here, so the online member registration, okay, that's one. Then to continue to register, just click this continue. Yan, the continue one, yan, just click that. And please wait. Then this is the online members registration. You just fill up this form, this last name, first name, then the middle name, then the date of birth, and code also here. So for example, I will tap the last name. I'll use this name, last name, then okay, click then first name. So this is just only a sample. Then the middle name to figure out para punta tayo dito sa pinaka-registration. So the date of birth, here in the beside the date of birth box, there's a box. You just click it so that will drop the month or the year, so you can find easily your year na kung kailan ka na pinanganak. So here, so there's a scroll. So for example, I'll scroll this one, just scroll. So 1991 December, the month is December. Just click OK. Then there's an image code. You just type there in the box the code, the W7YEG. That's the sample here. Actually, this is an automated code given. So you click proceed and just place wait. Then here, the online membership registration. So there's a form. Yan. So member info, you can click the member. Yan, ito po yung fill up kanina. So it's automatically enter here. And the name, the first name, the last name, first name, and then the middle name. So next is dapat yung ilagay dito is the appearing in the birth certificate, kung ano nakalagay sa birth certificate dyan, last name, first name, then kung may extension, mga junior, then middle name. If there's no middle name, just click the tick box there. So then the details of your father, so isulat din nyo yung last name, first name ng tatay nyo, then the middle name. If there's no middle name, tick also the middle name box, no middle name box, and also the mother's maiden name. So please make sure po na lahat ng mga may asterisk na palagay dyan ay kailangang may fill up, or else hindi tayo po makapag-proceed sa next form for this one. So for example, then I'll type the middle name of the father, then click click next. So after next, other info, the next form. So you need to click the date of birth, the place of birth, and click the place of the birth. Yan. So there's a drop link here. Oh, yan, you select or Metro Manila, for example. Then the city, I click Las Piñas. So, yan. So, it's, yeah, there. So, na-fill up na siya. So, the sex, height, weight, the TIN number, if there's already a TIN number, SSS, and the citizenship, the civil status, yan. Pag married, there's also a spouse name there na dapat mong fill upan. Yan. Then, Filipino. Basta lahat ng may asterisk, kailangan nyo pong fill upan. It means the mandated po siyang fill upan. Yan. So, you can click next as a next form. Then, the address. So, yun. There's a permanent address and the present address. So, first, the permanent address. You can type the room number, building number, yan, the barangay, the street number, the lot number, and the face number. House number, yan. Just for example. Then, yun the barangay. So, to get the zip code, there's also a drop link then. Yan. Here, the zip code yan. So, you can click the zip code para kailangan siya. So, you select din Manila, Metro Manila. Then, the city. And the barangay. So, automatic. Nag-feed po siya ng zip code. So, next is the present address. Yung present address, if same lang naman sa permanent, there's a box there. Nakalagay check if same of the permanent address. So, pag gano'n, automatic na din po kung ano nakalagay sa taas na permanent. And then po sa present address. Then, click next. Okay, there's an error kasi I forgot to fill up the preferred mail address. So, kailangan ko magpili. So, I'll check the present home address. And, okay. The next. You click the next dito para sa next na form. So, the contacts. Here. So, click the email address. You put, important guys, yung email address is the correct one kasi mag-notify or may mga notification ng Pag-Ibig na i-email sa inyo, mga updates, ganun. So, you type here the email address. Okay, we'll type. Again, make sure it's the right one or active pa yung email address nyo. Then, you confirm. So, then you click, afterwards you click the okay. Okay. So, yun. The next is the mga contact number. If you have landline, then you put the area code. Or if you're not in the Philippines, then the country code. You just changed it. Especially yung mga OFW, then the area code. So, yun. For the wala namang landline, the cell phone number. Yan. The prefix and the cell phone number. Nag-a-update din po kasi yung Pag-Ibig ng mga text or mga notification through text. So, mas magandang updated. Next. The next is the years. So, the years, this is the mga legal years dapat ilagay in case of death. So, ito po yung makapag-receive ng fund benefits. You just click add years. Yan. Then, you click the last, fill up the last name, the first name, and the middle name, and the date of birth. Kung ano pong relation sa inyo. Anong relation ko yun. Yan. So you just save it, then you can also add another member or year para dun sa kung sinong gusto nyong ilalagay. Then click next. So you will hear next nang. So we're here in the member category. Under member category, there's a lot of categories. You just click here beside, there's a drop. Ayan, or then, yan, nakikita nyo po yung drop link. Yan, so ito po yung mga category. So there's a actually marami to. So there's a mandatory, yun yung mga self-employed. So kailangan talagang mag-contribute ng pag-ibig niyan. So yan, dami po yan. So the other is the voluntary. May mga employed, foreign government, mga barangay official, non-working spouse, yan yung mga voluntary. Din unemployed. So I'll click the unemployed pag wala kang trabaho. So then kung mayroon naman, you click the next is the employment history. So you can click here the add employment. So ilagay nyo yung company name, kung kailan kayo employed, first employed from what month to what month, year, or 1 to month. Then the address, yan, ilagay nyo yung employment history. If it is present, yan, click din yung present. Then the save. So, kung may dami pa kayong employer, just only add or click the add. The next is the summary na. So, you can now, actually, there's a or by clicking the submit button below, I certify that the information given above all this statements made herein are true and correct. So, dapat tama lang po. If in case po nagda-doubt kayo, pwede kayong magbaback. Pwede nyo i-edit yung mga ginagawa nyo. So, then, you click submit. Yan, click nyo ng submit. Basta yun lang guys, pwede kayong mag-edit. Just click back. Then, submit. So, here, after submission, there's a success registration page. Yan, makikita mo siya after clicking submission. So here, so you can print this one. After clicking the print PDF, lalabas po yung member data form. Ito po yung ipiprint out. So there's a registration tracking number sa taas. Yan po yung number nyo na ibibigay nyo sa employer nyo. Or yan yung Pag-ibig number. So guys, if there's any clarification, just comment below. Or PM me through Facebook. Under the description, I'll put the Facebook account. So guys, kung hindi pa kayo makakapag-subscribe sa akin, paki-subscribe, then click the bell para po ma-notify kayo sa next video. Salamat!